What if I told you that one person can now do the work of an entire content creation team? Imagine writing scripts in minutes, designing professional graphics without hiring a designer, editing videos automatically, creating voiceovers with AI, generating thumbnails, scheduling social media posts, and even repurposing one video into content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and X, all with the help of artificial intelligence. Many of these tools have free plans, and some can save you hours every single week. In today's video, I'll show you the 10 best AI tools for content creators in 2026 and explain how each one can help you create better content faster, whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, freelancer, marketer, or small business owner. Let's get started. Welcome to BuildSmartAfri, where we simplify AI, technology, online business, and digital skills for beginners. If you're looking for practical AI tools that help you work smarter and grow your online presence, you're in the right place. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because every week we share beginner-friendly tutorials designed to help you stay ahead in the AI era.